down on the yard. It feels like you're here, near and hard. Each time the dust comes, you fill my mind. You're the only one I think of all the time. If only you had told me from the very start you were looking for wealth, not a humble heart, I wouldn't have stood there feeling so foolish and blue, declaring my love, every word was true. My mind's in turmoil, heavy and low. My deepest sorrow, it's all because of you, I know. You say I'm never there, inside your thoughts. No comfort, no peace, just lonely nights. If only you had told me from the very start you were looking for wealth, not a humble heart, I wouldn't have stood there feeling so foolish and blue, declaring my love, every word was true. So I pray to God, may He hear my plea, that someday another will come to me, a maiden who'll care, who'll stay and be true, who keeps every promise just like I tried to do. If only you had told me from the very start you were looking for wealth, not a humble heart, I wouldn't have stood there feeling so foolish and blue, declaring my love, every word was true. That's all I ask, Lord, this is my prayer. I lift it up to you, high in the air. May you grant my wish, may it come to be, and may you find happiness with the one you choose to be. Against all odds, I loved you true. Against all odds, what more